Hi everyone. Okay, today we're going to actually be doing, sorry for my chicken scratch, a 24 by 36 swipe, which means I need about 30.8 ounce, 85 ounces or 31 ounces of paint in order to cover the canvas. The main color is going to be a dark gray. We're going to have black, silver, white, blue, and or green and gold as our colors. I am using a medium that I mixed with 8 cups of Floetrol, 1 cup of all surface high gloss, and then 1 cup of Minwax clear gloss. It still dries dull. I'm still testing this, but this is the one I made 11/23/2019. So, but that's what I'm going to use as my, because I have that already all mixed up. So that's what I'm going to use as my medium for this project. So I'm going to be using white, titanium white with Master's Touch acrylic paint, Liquitex Ivory black, DecoArt metallics gold. I'm also going to use extra Sheen. This is DecoArt Sapphire, and then this is Aquamarine, and then I've got silver too as well. So I am gonna try, this is my very first time of utilizing this. This is Treadmill lubrication for silicone. So I have not been happy with the cells that I've received with some of the other stuff. So I've seen this on many of the YouTube sites, and so I thought I would try it. So we are gonna do that. So again, I'm gonna need about 31 ounces of the dark gray in order to cover that. The rest of it's gonna be small amounts. That's why I'll be using the small cups. All right, well, I'm gonna start mixing, and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Thanks. Hi, I'm back. Okay, so remember how we did 31 ounces of the dark gray. This is actually black ivory. And then we did little ounces of 2 to 3 ounces depending on all these colors. But what I didn't do yet is I have not put the silicone in. And I'm going to put the silicone in all of these, but not the white. Okay, so we're just going to put 1 drop. One drop. That's all I want to put in there right now. See how it goes. One. All right. Excited to use this one. I know a lot of YouTubers out there are using that. So then I'll mix it up. And my gold is a little thicker, so I may actually thin that out just a little bit more. So, okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Swipe materials that I'll be using is just some plastic sheets that I have. They are rounded on the corners, very similar to what Julie Cuts does, because that does dig in, and I don't like that either. And then I've got this one here to kind of make a smaller one. So I'm gonna start here in the middle. And it's ripply. So I'm gonna actually have to use, I think, my smaller pieces. I love it. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.